Okay guys, now I'm showing to you how to do the tint or do the PPF on the headlight. So first you need to clean it with the alcohol. Make the surface very clean. Cleaning is very important. Okay. And then this film today I'm going to use is the GSWF Smoky PPF. It's going to change the color and make the light more darker, and then also protect it because this is the PPF, is not only tint. And then that is the 30% smoky. And the tint I'm going to use is alcohol and only water. Put it everywhere. Now water. And lay it on the light. A little bit with your hand, make the shape on it. This way. And yes. Okay. Then squeeze all the water out. And then this corner, open it a bit and do the tension to the corner. Then do the squeeze it down again until all of the water goes out. Actually this headlight is very easy because no any curve, no any shape, really flat, only a little bit into this corner. So after using the squeegee, just clean it and then check it any bubble of the or water left or no. So now ready to cut. Always use the sharp blade. And then PPF cut is different than wrapping cut, but actually almost same, but much harder than wrap. Just from the edge, just follow the line. I'm not pushing you, just try to make the scratch on the film. Okay. And then now, if you're checking, I didn't cut it. Okay? But here a bit water left. Okay, going it right now. I push it out. So the things I did for the cut, I just did the make the scratch on the film, and then outside of the part I don't need, I just do the relief cut and then try to rip off the film, all coming out easy. So no worried about make the knife mark or any scratches on the surface or the panel you want to wrap or do the PPF. I hope you like it. This is the last part of my car. I'm done it, and then we'll show you guys how it look like completely all the job.